Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I've got another live swatch video for you with Glisten Glow's Summer 2021 Beach Please Summer Crellies Collection. If you missed my last video, I swatched Glisten Glow's Beach Please Summer Neons collection, so I will leave some links down below if you missed that video. This collection consists of 3 glitter Crelly polishes, and it's another limited edition collection. Only one batch of these polishes were made and they're not going to be restocked, so if you're interested, be sure to check out glistenglow.com. They are launching tomorrow, July 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and they retail for $10 USD for each polish, or you could get the entire collection of 3 polishes for $28. I'm going to be swatching these 3 polishes both with the Glisten Glow top coat as well as the glitter grabber, and I'm going to show you the matte swatches using their matte top coat. So let's go ahead and get on into the swatches. Up first is Good Times and Tan Lines, which is described as a white-based glitter Crelly packed with neon glitters in pink, orange, light orange, yellow, green, purple, and watermelon. This is probably my favorite from the collection. I just love that assortment of neon glitters in this polish, and I love how they really pop over that white Crelly base. The glitters are pretty chunky, however, so they will dry a little bit textured. So I'm going to be using 1 coat of Glisten Glow's glitter grabber on top, which is a glitter smoothing polish, and then I'm going to be using Glisten Glow's top coat for a super glossy and smooth finish. Here are 2 coats of Good Times and Tan Lines with the glitter grabber as well as a glossy top coat, and how fun is this polish? It seriously just looks like confetti on my nails. And here is the matte version of Good Times and Tan Lines using Glisten Glow's matte top coat. And here's a comparison of the matte and glossy swatches of Good Times and Tan Lines. Up next is Pool Hair Don't Care, which is described as a bleached neon green glitter Crelly packed with neon glitters in blue, orange, yellow, watermelon, and light orange. This one reminded me of some beach toys or those inflatable pool toys, and the green base in this one really came to life along with all of those glitters with that second coat. It also dried pretty textured, so I applied Glisten Glow's glitter grabber as well as their glossy top coat for a super glossy shine. So here are 2 coats of Pool Hair Don't Care along with the glitter grabber and a glossy top coat. Here is the matte version of Pool Hair Don't Care using Glisten Glow's matte top coat. And here is a comparison of the matte and glossy swatches of Pool Hair Don't Care. And finally is Namaste at the Beach, which is described as a grape purple glitter Crelly with neon glitters in yellow, green, and pink. These glitter Crelly polishes are all super packed with different sized glitters. Didn't have to do any fishing or any glitter placement, and this one was also perfect in 2 coats. It does dry textured like the other polishes in this collection, so again I used Glisten Glow's glitter grabber as well as their top coat for a super glossy shine. So here are 2 coats of Namaste at the Beach with the glitter grabber and a glossy top coat. Here's the matte version of Namaste at the Beach using Glisten Glow's matte top coat. And here's a comparison of the matte and glossy swatches of Namaste at the Beach. So here's one more look at the glossy and matte swatches of Glisten Glow's Beach Please Summer Crellies Collection. These are launching tomorrow, July 9th at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time and will be available at glistenandglow.com. Again, this is a limited edition collection, so be sure to check out the link in the description box if you're interested. They are selling for $10 each or $28 for the entire collection. And if you missed out on my last video, I swatched the Beach Please Summer Neons collection, so I will leave a link on your screen and down below. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it. But anyways, that's all for today, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!